I swear there won't be any turkey videos after this month. I'm leaving. Look at all these randy gentlemen. So many. Look at all them little footprints. I'm not even adding music to this one. I want this one to be all turkeys. Gentlemen, here's the other half of the group. Gentlemen. This is, oh, there's 27. There's 27 birds just right here. Oh my fucking hell. I can say this is the most I've seen here. Look at all these randy boys. Shit, I didn't see all those. Fucking turkey fight. Guess I can go back to making my sunrise video now that the sun's about to fucking rise. It's gonna be the last one of those too. That sucks. We're leaving. Oh. All that time I wasn't recording. This is so I can remember this place. I don't give a fuck if anybody watches it.